14 townhomes today. They have some high windows with some really deep, they're probably, I'd say 8 to 10 inch ledges in front of them. We used to use a step ladder. This time around, we've been doing these for probably 5 years now. We're switching around and we're using a pole, and along with our pole, we're using a very deep ledger. This is a ledger that has 2 different bends in it. And we're using this because it's just going to save us so much time. We're using a simple trad, kind of the best trad pole we found for a 2-piece 12-foot trad pole. Unfortunately, they don't really sell these much anymore. Once his stock was up, I think he didn't reorder or whatever happened, but we like those trad poles because the rubber bumper that's on the bottom, it's really great. So we're just going to wet that window up top. Normally what I'll do is, I have 2 on this application, and then I have 3 more here. So usually what I'll do is I'll wet out 5 at one time. This super deep ledger allows us to get into it. And then I will take and just detail the edges, just to ensure, usually you can squeegee them well enough, but just to ensure quality, I guess, we'll do that. And then another interesting point here that I would just point out is going to be, so on this, so these are set up, so these windows here to the top here is probably at least 8 feet. These are much taller. They're very tall, big windows with these screens that are mounted on them. Most of these units have shutters in front, so the screens don't remove. So for us to clean the insides, we go through, we crank every window open, and then a guy on the outside will go clean that cranked out window, the very inner side of it, and then once he's done, we're able to shut them back up. So that's just one way that we found around not removing that screen, because so many units do have obstructions like the shutters or these shades on the top that, because the installers install them too close, don't allow us to pull those shades. That's just a quick look. Using a pole with a deep ledger on top, saving the use of a step ladder, saves us time, saves us climbing the ladder, and cranking the windows out so we don't have to pull each screen. Kind of saves time on this job. It's out here, Window Warriors Forum.